Welcome to My Espresso. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to create a new account. To start, choose the best sign-in method for you, Google, Apple, or email. Select the Sign Up button beneath the Login button. Enter a valid email address and a secure password. Select Create Account. To make sure that your account is secure, you'll receive a verification email from My Espresso. Please check your inbox, including any spam folders, and click on the verification link within the email to confirm your account. Type in your email and password to log in. Once you have confirmed your email, you're good to go. And that's it! You can now log into your My Espresso account and start exploring.